Hello everyone, this is Mar Haddad. Today I'm going to speak about a new software that Splynx are doing, which is called PowerLynx. So PowerLynx is a software which you can use it to make a Wi-Fi network, and you use it to create the voucher to connect your router to it. So normally it's a radio server. So this is something that I would like to show you. This video is fully sponsored by Splynx, so thanks for them. And then I'm going to give you by end of this video a link where you can go to it in case you want to register to PowerLinks and you want to try it. Then you have 21 days free trial. And then you will get some more features and benefits in case you use the link that I'm going to give you. So let's make directly a review about the PowerLinks software, what is exactly PowerLinks and how it works. And then by end of this video, you will have a complete understanding about PowerLinks. And in case you would like to use it, if you are an ISP or even if you are an entrepreneur that you wish to create a wireless network using hotspot, and you want to use PowerLinks, then in this case that is possible. So let's go directly to the explanation. So PowerLinks, as I said, is a software that you use it with a router. Normally it works most of the time with the MikroTik routers and with Cambium routers and other routers as well, but then you need to do some other configuration on those routers. So what PowerLinks can do, with PowerLinks they can assist you ISPs and businesses in launching and monetizing affordable Wi-Fi hotspots. So say that you are a company that you wish to provide a hotspot wireless connectivity to your community, to where you are based, then you can use PowerLinks as normally we call it a radio server. You connect your router to that one, and then it gives you all the features that I'm going to discuss in this video. So the PowerLinks is a Wi-Fi hotspot software. Now, this PowerLinks has been created by a company called Splynx, and I had the privilege to make a video about Splynx before on my YouTube channel. If you want, you can watch it on the link that is showing up for you now. And also, I do have a course, complete course, speaking about Splynx in detail, and it is on my own platform, my network training, and also on Udemy. In case you want to register to that course, that's also possible. So Splynx is a company which is very well known in the business industry of ISPs, and they do have 4 offices. They are in Czech Republic, in Ukraine, in South Africa, and also in Spain. And they have some like 8 years experience in this field, and they have many customers. I have really had a lot of cases where I do some consulting work for companies, and I know that they are using Splynx. So the total members of Splynx employees are around 50 employees. So now we have to understand what is PowerLinks. So PowerLinks, first of all, it is cloud-based. That means you can use it without making any installation. And you don't have to have your own server. You don't have to have all your virtual server. You don't have to pay for that. That's always on the cloud available for you. And it is a effortless setup. So you can configure everything and go live just in, they say here, 1 day. But normally you can even go within 1 hour. And it is a hardware agnostics. So it seamlessly work with leading vendors, network vendors, mostly with MikroTik and Cambium, and it is budget friendly. So the pricing that they offer you to have access to PowerLinks is not very expensive. Now, what can you do with the PowerLinks as a key feature? You have the white labeled captive portal. So it's the splash page normally which shows on the users when they connect to the hotspot, then the page will open. So this page, you can adjust it. You can make it, put your brand logo if you want. On that page, change it. That's possible. You have many gateways. So we will see now what are the payment gateways that are available. We have Stripe, we have PayPal, and we have some other payment gateways that are available. You can create the tariff plan configuration. So you can say that on my hotspot, I want to sell this is the price for depending on the data plan that you are using. You can print vouchers. You can make just vouchers, and people buying from you voucher, you give them those vouchers. That's possible. So if they don't want to pay using your gateway, they pay you cash, for example, and then you give them the voucher. That's possible. You can create multiple location management. That means that the software by itself, it's not only for one location. If you have a chain of hotels, for example, and you want to create hotspot on all the hotels that you have, for example, 5 hotels, then you can connect all of them to your account, which is a PowerLynx account, and then it works without any problem. Okay. And then finally, you have the graph and reports. So you can issue reports and you can see graph about the utilization of what the users are doing and so forth. So you can get that from the PowerLynx software. Like I said, that they accept payment through various methods. It can be integration with popular systems payment, so like PayPal and Stripe. They are worldwide known gateways, but also they include Safaricom, PayFast, and PayAt and Voucher. So those are type of payments that are available now. Now, in case in your country you have some other payments that you would like to include, then you can contact the guys of PowerLynx, and they can integrate the payment that you want inside your system, and then that would be possible. Of course, you can also use the cash, so people pay you cash, you give them the vouchers, and then they can get connected. That's always possible. Now, on which platforms you can run the connectivity between the routers and the PowerLynx? So PowerLynx, we know that it is on the cloud, but you have to do some configuration on the router to be able to work with this PowerLynx. And mostly we have here MikroTik, which most of people I know, they use MikroTik and Cambion. Now, you can use it with other vendors, that's possible, but then in this case, you require to make some extra configuration. So no problem here. If you have any issue and you're not using MikroTik or Cambion, you can contact PowerLynx if it's not working for you, and they can help you to connect to your vendor that you are using, your router you are using, and then you can use PowerLynx without any problem. Now, how does it work? So normally this is what is the splash page. Like I said, when you connect to the Wi-Fi, you get something like this one. You have your logo, you have phone number, and you have a code. So you put the phone number, you get a code, you enter it here, and then you can over here choose the plan. Normally that's something you created. You can say, I have this plan, this plan, this plan, this plan. So, or the voucher. So if someone has a voucher paid for you directly, then he can put the voucher here, or he can use the plans that you say that it's possible to be paid online. And then after that, you have here the checkout. So if you want decided that you want to pay via Stripe, so this is normally with Stripe, so you can put your credit card or whatever, the debit card that you have with all the information. Actually, this is credit card, and then you can make the checkout, and it's gonna work. Same on PayPal, same on other also gateways, payment gateways that you can use. Now, the good thing about PowerLynx is that it doesn't have a lot of effort to create the hotspot. So you only need the internet, you only need the router, and then you connect to PowerLynx, and then you can start selling your hotspot service, whether it's for public places, for education, for retail, for hospitality, for transportation, for cafes and restaurants. So you can see it's very easy. You just connect to PowerLynx with your router, which has internet, and it works perfectly without any problem. So the benefit of using the PowerLynx is to build additional revenue stream by expanding your product offering, reach remote locations. So somewhere in Africa, for example, in remote location where there is no internet connectivity, you can have on one router connection, you create your hotspot there, your the Wi-Fi, and then you connect it to PowerLynx, and then you can allow the internet to go to people who were not able to access the internet before. You can empower your community with public Wi-Fi hotspot and expand reseller channels. Means that you don't only have to sell to end customers, you can also sell to resellers who can sell to end customers as well. Now, if we think about the pricing, the price is not very expensive. So it is $25 per month. With this $25 per month, You have a cloud server, so it's on the cloud. You don't have to put server yourself. It's unlimited access points, so no matter how many access points you put, that's not a problem. It works perfectly. Robust integration and up to 100 online users. So normally they count about the users. So you can see here license limit. So if you look here, they say 100. So that's 100 users. They can give you maximum to 110 and you pay 25. If you have more number of users, then you can get the higher license and so forth. So you can start with the first one, which is $25 per month. So that means per year $300. It's not a big money to start a business of selling hotspot service in your area. Now, what is the plan for the future with the PowerLynx? So this is the roadmap. They say between Q2 and Q3 of 2024, they want to integrate it with Splynx to get the automatic access with your hotspot for Splynx customers. So they integrate this PowerLynx with Splynx software together. Then also the customers on Splynx, they can profit from this Wi-Fi hotspot. Splash page editor, creation of custom design with drag and drop editor. So then you can change your captive portal or your splash page when it loads to the user. You can just change it by just drag and drop, and it's very easy to be done. Marketing tools, possibility to show various types of ads and track their performance. So you can put inside when the CAM one is connected, you can add some ads like advertisements, and this helps you if you want, for example, to advertise something for your users on hotspots. Then you can put it on your PowerLynx configuration. More payment gateway, as I told you, that they always add more gateways, and if you want to add a gateway that is not possible for now, you can contact them and then they will check the guys for PowerLynx if they can add it for you. And finally, they will use the login with social, so the possibility that people can log in using the social accounts like Facebook or Instagram or whatever. So then by just going to your account, you can get access to the Wi-Fi hotspot. So finally, I will advise you to go to PowerLynx website, PowerLynx.app. I will also leave for you a link on my description of this video. Then when you go there, they know, the guys from PowerLynx, that you have watched the video, and then you can get some extra bonus from them. They give you some more features than a normal user. So that's something they told me that they would do. I will not do any money from that. So just you can use the link, and then you make the registration to get the free trial, and then you come under the name of my company. Then they know that you came from watching this video. So you have 21 days free trial available. You can try PowerLynx for free for 21 days, and if it works perfectly for you, you can just make the purchase and you can become a Wi-Fi hotspot provider. So this is all what I wanted to show you in this video. So this video is fully sponsored by Splynx, which is the company which makes the PowerLynx software. So again, if you wish to try it, I advise you to go and try access to the PowerLynx and see how it works, and benefit from the features that PowerLynx are providing in case you take an account with them under my account. So this is all what I wanted to show you in this video. I hope it was informative for you, and I will see you in some other videos.